to my channel. So today I have a little package here from Maniology. I saw this on Slay by Jay's channel, and she had some information on how to get a free kit, a free stamping kit. All you have to do is pay the shipping. So I'll go ahead and link that down below, but I thought this is a really cool way to get your, starter kit for stamping. I have like 2 stamping plates, but I didn't have any of the polish, and I have never done any stamping like at all. So yeah, so I'm excited. This is just the little packing slip. Oh, we get this cute glowing and growing. Yeah, they're this company is based in Hawaii, so super pretty. All right, so there was a couple kits that you could choose from. There was one that I wanted, but it was sold out. So this is the next one that I picked. This is the Forever Young stamping kit. So there's 5 kits that you can choose from, and they each come with 2 stamping plates, 2 stamping polish colors, 1 mini scraper card, and 1 clear ice cube stamper. So yeah, like I said, there's 5 to choose from. I can't remember the one I wanted. I think it just had a bunch of flowers and like butterflies, but that one was sold out, so I kind of forgot what this one has. I see some stars and hearts right here, which is super cute. But yeah, these kits retail for $29.99, so you're just paying, I believe it was $7.99 for the shipping. But I thought, wow, this is like a pretty good company, and to try it for free. So yeah, this is the first plate here. It says live, laugh, love, sweet, my dear, happy, lucky, and it's got little butterflies here, little hearts, little horseshoes, like little necklace, looks like little crowns, little eyelashes. Super cute. And then this one has some more little stars, just some little different geometric little shapes. But yeah, there's, like I said, 5 different ones. I don't know if the other one's back in stock or not. And then this is, I guess, the little scraper card here. Like I said, I've never done stamping, so I'm gonna try it today. And then this is the stamping guide, which I'll have to look at. Just has all the directions there. And then there's some troubleshooting tips up there, and then a little QR code to watch some videos, so that's cool. And then I guess this tells you, oh yeah, it's just some little steps. Make sure to remove the blue film. Prep your stamper to prep your stamper heads, wash them with dish soap and warm water. To remove polish after stamping, you can quickly clean the stamper head with a lint roller or scotch tape. Well, I'll go over those more when I start to do the actual stamping. But these are the 2 colors here, the stamping polish. Just get, it says Bam White. So we get that white one. And then this blue, it's called Indicon. That blue one there. Oh, that's pretty. And then we get the stamper. Usually they're round. I've never seen a square one before. It just says Maniology, and then excuse me, and then it's got the rounded there. All right, super cute. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the blue film, and then yeah, I'm gonna wash the stamper with dish soap and warm water, and I'll be right back. All right, so I've never done this before, but where's my little scraper? So I'm just going to give this a little shake. So I'm gonna put this, I've seen people do it only halfway, because then I think it's too much, I guess. Because then when you scrape it, it'll get over everything. Oh yeah, I think that was too much. Too much there on the bottom. Let me just see if I can. I just want to see. Well, not too bad. Some of it's lifted up. And then down there it got kind of messed up, but yeah, I don't know if I think I put way too much. All right, let me clean this up. It also said to clean the plate with 100% acetone, because the regular nail polishes have oils and stuff that can make like a residue on the plate. So yeah, that's what I did there. I swiped it with the pure acetone. All right, so yeah, it's gonna take a couple of tries to do this, but I know it's gonna be hard to see the blue. Just do the white again, but I'm just gonna try to do a little bit. Let's do these little bugs here. Oopsie. Ah. Yeah, I didn't get all the stuff in there, but yeah, I'm just gonna have to play around with it. But I mean, yeah, to try it for free, I think that's pretty good. Yeah, it just said to take a lint roller and then yeah, it cleans off the stamper really good. So yeah, I just have to play around with it, but yeah, I think it's a great deal to, to start with. I'm gonna keep messing around and seeing how that goes. So yeah, like I said, I'll leave everything, the link down below. And yeah, if you guys please have any tips, let me know. I'm gonna have to watch some of your guys' videos and stuff, but I just wanted to just come on and show you guys this real quick and just see how I could do my first time. So yeah. But yeah, it seems fun. So all right, well, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.